Hello FCS 2250 computer application students, and welcome to lesson 13. We're going to be designing our ePortfolio website using the web application Wix. First and foremost, please do not delete your website or change your address or anything before or until after the class, I should say. Lesson 14, your final exam, you will have to do some updates to your portfolio. And I've had students in the past, Mr. Lang, I deleted my portfolio. Well, you got a lot of work to do because you have to recreate all of that in order to get credit for your final exam. So please, right off the bat, do not delete this until we're done. All right, well, with that said, you guys, I hope that you've started lesson 13 well in advance. This is a lengthy assignment, the most lengthy assignment that we've had all throughout the semester. So with that, you guys, you're going to see where I have a lot of assignments, about 11 of them total. And the very first one is as simple as creating a Wix account. I give you an active URL. I kind of tell you what we need to do, the points possible, as well as a video showing you exactly how I want you to start this project. So please make sure you watch these videos and watch them in their entirety. Don't just skip through and watch a little bit here or there, but watch all of them. You have your assignment too. We're going to be setting up our pages and our navigation pane. Again, please watch all of these videos from beginning to end to make sure that we're on the same page. And then you can see where we just are going to move right on through this project. You've got assignment 3, we'll work on your header. Assignment 4, you're going to be adding a professional biography. Again, as I mentioned in my videos for a professional biography, I mean a professional biography. Spend some time on this. I will be grading this kind of with a fine-tooth comb. Your experience page, this may take you the most time out of all of them. That's why you can see I have 50 points available there. I have all the directions there, and I have assignment 5, part 1, 2, 3, and 4. For that one assignment, I have 4 videos that kind of go through all of the objects that you need on that page, a lengthy page, and I will be grading that kind of with a fine-tooth comb there. Assignment 5, experience option 2. I also kind of give you another option of how you can create that, but as you will hear in this video, you've got to complete the first 4 videos first, and then you can take a look at this video. Assignment 6, I want to see a nice resume on your page. So I have a couple videos there. I have a part 1 and a part 2. So please watch both of those. We're going to be embedding our Prezi. Now this takes a little bit of, you have to pay very close attention to this. You may have to scrub through the video a little bit. I've given you some embedding code that you'll use right here. So all of the things that you need are right here to embed your Prezi into your website. You'll create a contact me page where people will fill out a form. I always get a lot of questions or people filling out this form inaccurate. So again, please watch this video in that regards. We are going to create a footer at the bottom of our site, ask you to do one quick website review, and then we will be submitting. Again, I do take off points, 10 points, if you do not submit it correctly. So again, please watch this. So again, I hope we have spent plenty of time to prepare for this lesson 13 and not just starting the day before it's due, because it is lengthy and I'll be grading this accordingly. So, all right, you guys, good luck, and again, if you have any questions throughout, please let me know.